Hey everyone, my name is Manish, back again with another video. Today in this video I am going to be show you how you can install Sublime Text. Okay, Sublime Text is a text editor that used in so many programming language. If you are a programmer or if you are doing coding and it's your first time, Sublime Text is very user friendly text editor. So just go ahead and just go to google.com, or you can search from here also, and just type it here, Sublime Text. I have already searched it up. Okay, just go here and just search for Sublime Text. Here you will be find first result, Sublime Text from sublimetext.com. Just click here, and here this window will be open up. Okay, this browser, this website open up this screen. So just download for Mac. Just click on this button and this will be download automatically, and automatically file for you, whatever it could be. If you are in Windows, it will be download exe file. If you are in Linux, it will be download according to you, and if you are in Mac, it will be download according to you. So just download for Mac, and let's wait for a few seconds, and then it will be open up. Mine is previously downloaded. For creating this video, I have previously downloaded this. So here you will be find Sublime Text. Okay, here when it's a download is completed, just double click and this will be open up. It will be take certain amount of the time. After that it will be open up, and it's a very easy. You have to be just do double click. It's not very big task. Okay, so just you have to be just drop down into this application folder, and yeah, I have already here it's set. So I have to be stop it and just open up Sublime Text. Okay, let's see if it's open up. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Okay, it's opened up. So yeah, this is very simple process. Sublime Text is now open up in my front of the screen. In the another video, I will be show you how you can set up Sublime for web development or for any another purpose. Okay, for you I will be show you how you can set up Sublime for web development. Okay, for JavaScript and all those things. For now, that's it. I will be seeing you in another video.